Civil Service Exam, Math Reviewer number 75 and 76. Post nyo muna, try nyo sagutan bago panoodin ang solution ko. Okay, so number 75 tungkol sa probability. A box contains 4 red, 6 blue, and 10 green balls. What is the probability of drawing a blue ball? Okay, so basic ito ng probability. Ano bang formula ng probability? So ang formula ng probability of an event is equal to the number of event over the number of sample space. Pag sinabing sample space, ito lang yung total. Total lang ito, total outcomes. Okay? So ano yung hinahanap natin sa problem? What is the probability of drawing a blue ball? So therefore, magiging siyang probability of B, blue ball. So the probability of blue ball, of drawing a blue ball, is the number of blue balls over the total number of sample space. Yun yung total outcomes. So ilan ba yung blue balls natin sa problem? A box contains 4 red, 6 blue, and then 10 green balls. Ilan yung blue? Ito yung number of blue. We have 6. So therefore, ang answer natin, number of blue balls ay 6 over the total. Number of sample space, i-add lang natin lahat ng balls, 4 plus 6 plus 10. So we have 4 plus 6 plus 10. Then i-add lang natin, so we have 6 over 4 plus 6 is 10 plus another 10. We have 20. Tingnan sa choices, wala sa choices dahil pwede pa tong i-lowest term. 6 at 20, pwedeng i-divide parehas sa 2. Pag dinivide natin parehas sa 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and then 10 divided by 2, that is equal to 10. So the answer is 3 over 10, letter B. Kapag kinonvert sa percent, yan ay 30% or in decimal, 0.3. So the answer is letter B, 3 over 10. Next number, number 76. Simpleng multiplication ng fraction lang. Fraction to whole number. What is 5/6 of 540? So tandaan sa fraction, ang ibig sabihin na itong of ay multiplication. Multiplication lang yan. Okay? So 5/6 of 540 equal lang yan sa 5 over 6 times 540. Tandaan kapag nagmumultiply tayo ng fraction ay i-lowest term na muna natin ito. Yung 540 pwedeng i-divide sa 6. Kasi pag inuna natin itong multiplication, 5 times 540, pwede rin naman kaso lalaki yung number. Para wag lumaki, i-divide na natin ito. 54 divided by 6, di ba eksakto? 54 divided by 6, that is 9. May 0 ito, edi 90. So therefore, equal na lang siya sa 5 times 90. Then, i-multiply na natin. 5 times 9, that is equal to 45. Kopyahin na lang natin yung 0. The answer is letter C, 450. Sa mga naghahanap po ng murang civil service exam review, ito po yung offer ko sa inyo. 99 pesos lang po, all in na po ito. Meron tayong 500 slots na available. Ito po yung mga inclusion niya. 10 days math and logic tutorial via Zoom. Online po ito ha. So ang schedule na itong 10 days, ito po. Ayan, math and logic. 7 to 9 p.m. po lahat ito, MWF po ito. So July 6, integers, PEMDAS, GCF, and LCM. July 8, fractions and decimals. July 10, law of exponents and radicals and unit conversion. July 13, number series and number analogy. July 15, basic algebra. July 17, percentage, ratio, and proportion. July 20, word problems. July 22, data interpretation. July 24, logical reasoning. And July 27, abstract reasoning. So, madadaanan po natin lahat ng mga math and logic. Meron din tayong Google Forms reviewer sa ibang subjects kagaya ng verbal ability, analytical ability, general info. Marami rin tayong mga 150 item na mock test. Then may only replay din po tayo ng past session. Ito pong mga Zoom meetings natin, recorded po yan sa exclusive na FB group natin. So ano pong inaantay nyo, mag-message lang po kayo sa akin dito sa aking FB RJ Enseñado.